Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Learning. In today's lesson, you'll learn 100 daily use English sentences that beginners use in everyday life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice every day to improve your English speaking skills. Let's get started.
Good morning. How are you? I am fine.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Wake up. Get ready. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat your breakfast. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Let's go. Nice to meet you. What's your name? My name is John. Where are you from? I'm from USA. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. Welcome. See you later. Goodbye. Open the door. Close the window. Turn on the light. Turn off the fan. Sit down. Stand up. Come here. Wait a minute. Be careful. Help me, please. I'm hungry. Dinner is ready. Please sit down. Pass me the salt. This food is delicious. I like it. I don't like it. Drink some water. Thank you for the meal. I'm full. Where's the bus stop? I need a taxi. How much is the fare? Please stop here. I'm getting off here. Which way is the station? Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. Thank you for your help. How much is this? It's too expensive. Do you have another color? I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Here's my money. Keep the change. I need a bag. Thank you. Have a nice day. May I come in? May I ask a question? I don't understand. Please repeat. Can you help me? Open your book. Close your notebook. Write your name. Listen carefully. Good job. I'm busy. I'm ready. Let's start. Please send the email. I'll do it. Give me a minute. That's a good idea. Let's finish this. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. What happened? Are you okay? I'm tired. I'm happy. I'm sorry. Excuse me? No problem. You're welcome. I agree. I don't know. Maybe later. Of course. That's wonderful. Take care. See you soon. Repeat every sentence 3 times. Listen carefully. Speak loudly. Practice every day. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.